Welcome, engineers. Today we're exploring the Thermal Stress Interactive Calculator, a critical tool for analyzing how temperature changes create internal stresses in constrained structures. When materials expand or contract due to temperature variations but cannot move freely, significant forces develop that can lead to failure. Let's examine the inputs. First, select your calculation mode from the drop-down menu. You can calculate thermal stress, calculate thermal strain, calculate temperature change, calculate thermal force in constrained member, calculate free thermal expansion, or calculate coefficient of thermal expansion. For our demonstration, we'll select Calculate Thermal Stress. Next, enter the coefficient of thermal expansion in units of 10 to the -6 per degree Celsius. Input your temperature change in degrees Celsius. Enter Young's modulus in gigapascals. For calculating force, you'll need cross-sectional area in square millimeters. For expansion calculations, input original length in millimeters. Let's work through an example. Consider a steel beam with coefficient of thermal expansion 12 times 10 to the -6 per degree Celsius. Enter 12 in the alpha field. The temperature rises 40 degrees Celsius, so enter 40 for temperature change. Steel's Young's modulus is 200 gigapascals. Enter that value. Click Calculate. The results show thermal stress of 96 megapascals. This tells us the internal stress developed when the beam cannot expand. The calculator also displays thermal strain, temperature change confirmation, and, if applicable, thermal force and thermal expansion values. Remember, always verify your coefficient units match the calculator's requirements to avoid order of magnitude errors. Find the link in the description below.